It's chicken and waffles for me, MTS crew. Yes, I am making some chicken and waffles for our brunch today. So this is my flour that I'm seasoning to put my chicken in the air fryer. So I'm gonna fry my chicken in the air fryer. Use your seasoning of choice. And these are the items that I'm going to use for my waffles minus the butter. You won't see the butter on here, but we're going to use 1/2 stick of butter in our waffles. So these are little thin pieces of chicken that I bought from Aldi's, and I usually buy this when I want to do like a stir fry. So I had some in the freezer, so I said, well, why not? Let's just go ahead and make us a nice brunch. So I just use a little egg wash and I dusted it lightly with that flour, and I'm going to put it in this air fryer for about 3 to 5 minutes because they're so thin. And here's my homemade waffles that I'm making. I'm going to have the recipe down below so you can follow the recipe on my waffles. Like I said, you're not going to see the butter because I end up putting it in at the end, and it's 1/2 stick of butter and good old thick buttermilk make everything taste good to me. So, and I have some blueberries here, and I always put a little flour in the blueberries, and the reason I do that to keep the blueberries from sinking to the bottom, because in these waffles you want the blueberries to kind of stand out around in the waffle. You don't want them to just sink to the bottom. Now, y'all, I'm gonna add some yellow food color to this. I have two colors. I'm gonna do the yellow food color, and I'm gonna use the kind of bluish green food color just to add a little pop of color. You can use whatever color you want. If you go back and look on my other videos, I did like a red waffle. I'm always mixing colors and drink flavors. I just love to mix colors and even with my food to make your food more interesting. So I'm going to use my waffle maker, and I have a double-sided waffle maker, and these waffles are good. You see the blueberries all through there, and these are really, really soft waffles and really fluffy. Y'all, please try this waffle recipe and just do a nice brunch for you, your family to enjoy. I think this is a very good idea for holidays. You know, after a while, I mean, time is going to be flying. Mother's Day is coming up. This is a nice brunch for Mother's Day. Have several ladies together and go ahead and make them some blueberry chicken and waffles. Now, whenever I use syrup, I always put butter in there. So that's about a 1/2 cup of syrup with a stick of butter. And I put that in the microwave to get it hot, and I put it on the table. So if you want to add more later, you can add more later. Y'all, I appreciate y'all. I really, really do. And do me a favor, y'all. Like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Share this video out. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I really, really would appreciate y'all. I thank y'all and I appreciate y'all. Now, we're getting ready to do our brunch drinks, and this is a non-alcoholic mimosa. And what I use in my mimosa is I use the ginger ale, Canada Dry ginger ale, y'all, one of my favorite, and orange juice. You can use whatever you want, whatever type of fruit you want. This happened to be what I had on hand. So everything you see here, y'all, I already had in my refrigerator and ready to go. So what I'm going to do with this is just go ahead and pour my drinks, put them in the refrigerator, and then when I get ready to serve, I'll just add ice to this drink. The ginger ale and the orange juice is a great combination, y'all, a great combination. So y'all enjoy this recipe, and if you decide to do it, let me know, and let me know how you like it. And I think this is really, really nice presentation. And I think it would be really nice if you're doing your food to impress somebody, go ahead and just take it up a notch, y'all, and make some chicken, blueberry chicken and waffles, y'all. Blueberry chicken and waffles, y'all. Thank y'all. I appreciate you. And y'all, I really, really like the color. You know, if you don't want to color your waffles, don't color them. Just leave them plain. But I just wanted to do a little bit something different for my husband. Appreciate y'all. Bye.